Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm reviewing this headband wig I got from Tinashe Hair. They sent me this beautiful headband wig. If you want to see how I install the wig, please continue to watch. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there so you can participate in all my polls, question answers, giveaways, everything that I have going on Instagram. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get started. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna be reviewing this hair from Tinashe Hair. They sent me this cute little baggie, and I'm assuming that the hair comes in this box right here. So you get these two packages here. I'm gonna quickly go through what comes in the little goodie bag. Headband, another headband, hair clips, headband, hair comb, wig caps, and a bonnet. And we got some lashes. Let's go ahead and open up this box and look at the hair. So it's gonna come with this card in here. I am reviewing a headband wig. Bouncing, 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 bouncing. So this is the hair. Honestly, I don't remember the curl pattern to this, but it will be in the description box below if you guys want to check that out. I believe it's 24 inches. And yes, these spiral curls are giving. So you have the headband here. Inside you have 4 combs. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put this on real quick. The good thing about these headband wigs, they are ready to go. So it takes literally a few minutes to install, and it's perfect for work. Like if you have to go to work and you work especially like early in the morning and you just need something to put on your head real quick and you don't have to worry about your natural hair, these are the way to go. So I'm just gonna put this on real quick and then we'll come back at the end. Who knows, I might put some like little curls on the top here because it does look a little flat at the top. So I don't know if you want to watch me install this wig. Keep watching. Okay. Okay, so this is the hair straight out the package. Look, and it's literally ready to go. It is definitely ready to go. And who knows, you might be even doing too much for like this type of curl like at work. Like you might want to save this for like going out to brunch with your girlfriends. This is giving, I'm trying to show off. I'm trying to impress somebody, and you might not be trying to impress somebody at work. So, you know, this might be a little much. So maybe you could save this for brunch with the girls when you're trying to like, you know, find a man or a date or whatever. But it's very pretty. These curls are very much getting pretty. And I love the length on here. It looks very good. It's 150% density, so this is giving pretty good. It's feeling very true to 150. Look, I can't even get the hair to get off my lips. Get off my lips. Okay. So I went ahead and threw some curls in the roots and a little bit on the ends just to make it a little bit fuller, but she is looking very good. Honestly, you could have left her exactly the way that she was, but I just like really big and full hair, so that's the only reason why I even put any curls in it at all. This is the headband wig from Tinashe Hair. It's 24 inches, and all the other information will be in the description box below for this hair. So make sure you guys check the description box for all the details. Thank you so much for coming to my oh, I almost forgot to try on one of these I almost forgot to try on one of these headband wigs for you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try this one on real quick. And it's so pretty. So yes, this is the hair down. This is the hair down with the headband on there. Yes, this looks very, very beautiful. As you can see, let's see, we'll put it in a ponytail. This is how it looks in the ponytail. Let's also try a high bun. All right, so this is the bun. Very cute. All well covered. Looks good. And then lastly, let's try half up, half down. All right, this is half up, half down. It looks very cute. Very cute. Half up, half down with curly hair, I just feel like is always the cutest. It is so freaking cute. But yes, this is the end of my video. This is the hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it's perfect for everyday wear, running errands, going to work. It's super easy, and it's literally ready for you to just plop it right on, and all you have to do to your hair is put it in a little ponytail in the back, like a really low ponytail in the back, and you're ready to go. So yes, this is the headband wig from Tinashe Hair. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.